It's kind of like a quiet calm before the proverbial storm, as we are now weeks away from the start of the crucial final round of World Cup qualifiers. And we're hearing that at least 4 or 5 New England-born players are expected for the start of the final round. And again, this is hurting up the head of the Maverick. We're not playing Germany and Brazil and Argentina to qualify for the World Cup. Not even USA or Mexico or Canada. We're playing Trinidad, Curacao, and Bermuda. Without any new players, Jamaica has a better team, better squad, better players than those 3 teams combined. So instead of 4 or 5 marginal new players, we need to get the team organized and playing with some shape and structure. Fix our midfield and stop searching for magic players, because none of them not out there. And if we need magic players to be Trinidad, Curacao, and Bermuda, we football not gonna further.